Hey guys, it's Ashley and I'm at our newest listing, 919 Garnet Point. This is a great property. It's main level living, ranch style home, so that means your garage, your laundry room, the bedrooms all on the main level. And you have a great backyard. The backyard is nice and open and flat. Also have a sunroom as well. Gas fireplace in the living room, hardwood floors in the kitchen. Downstairs is the unfinished basement. If you wanted to finish that out and add more square footage, you could definitely do that. It's a walkout basement. And there's just so many great things about this property. A great opportunity for somebody, and it's very centrally located here in Jefferson City. So come on in and take a look inside.